Hey there, everyone. So, as my list of affiliate links grows, it's harder and harder to keep track of them all. And not only that, an affiliate link is typically really ugly, and so they're not easily memorized, or I'm not able to give them out because they're not memorable, right? So what I want to do today is show you how to cloak these ugly affiliate links with something prettier and easier to give out. So for example, my ClickFunnels affiliate link will be viamedia.com/p/ClickFunnels. And I'll tell you why I have that /p there in the middle later on. But basically, this is easier for me to memorize and to give out if I need to. There are many ways that you can mask or cloak these affiliate links, but I'm going to show you one method created by Yoast. So on the Yoast.com blog, there's a great blog post all about how to cloak these affiliate links. But the problem is that no one actually shows how to do it in a video. And so I actually watched several hours of, just different videos and reading articles, trying to piece together how to accomplish this with the knowledge I had of all the code previously, and then trying to decipher what exactly they meant in the article. So I've done that, and I'm going to show you guys today how you can accomplish it the same way. Again, I just want to say that there are different ways that you can cloak these affiliate links. There are plenty of plugins that you can use. But the problem with a plugin is that with WordPress plugins, WordPress has to load, then the plugin has to load, then it has to redirect, and it can sometimes take a little more time than if we just wrote the code directly in the source files. So obviously in this business, time is money, and if it takes someone longer to be redirected to your affiliate site, you might lose the sale. So I want to show you guys how I do this using code, and I hope that it helps you. Here we go. Okay, we're going to start out on the Yoast blog because a lot of different places that I researched mentioned this blog post to cloak affiliate links. And while it's a really great blog post, I never actually found a video on how to accomplish this. So I was out there watching a lot of different videos and piecing together what I already knew and my knowledge to kind of figure out how to complete this. So I hope that today's video will help you not have to go through that process as well. I will say up front again that there are many ways to cloak your affiliate links. This is just one option. But as we go through this blog post, we note things like, hey, why should we cloak these affiliate links in the first place? Okay, so it's ease of management. It's a lot easier to manage your affiliate links when they all have the same structure, and also putting them in a centralized place for you to manage. It also prevents leaking PageRank to advertisers. Google is not, doesn't view affiliate links in the highest standards, especially when you have a lot on your site. So by doing this, we're able to kind of block Google from docking us because we have affiliate links, and also we're setting up this no followed, and by putting all of these in a centralized location, it's going to make it a lot easier for us to make sure all of our links are no followed. And then we're making clean links. So we're making them pretty because right now they're pretty ugly. Okay, so the first step is to create a folder from where you'll serve your redirects. At Yoast they use out. I'm going to use P, which is, in my head it stands for products. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over to our cPanel. So you should be logged into where you have hosting, and this is my cPanel, and I'm going to scroll down until I see files, and I want the file manager. I'm going to leave it here at the document root and show hidden files. Go. And it opens up something that should look similar to this. Now, one other kind of disclaimer that I'm going to say is when you're working in code, sometimes it's good to back up what you already have. but since we're actually creating from scratch, there's nothing to back up. So the first thing I want to do is I want to add a new folder here. So I'm going to go to New Folder, and I'm going to call this one P. And we are creating it in the public underscore HTML. So now here's my P folder. The reason I'm putting all of my affiliate links in a subfolder is so that it's easier for me to set up the special blocks from Google to dock my site because of affiliate links. So instead of saying, for example, viamedia.com/clickfunnels, it's going to be viamedia.com/p/clickfunnels. And while that doesn't roll off the tongue as easy, it's easier for me to remember, and that's what's important when I'm typing out the links, but it's also easier for me to, all in one fell swoop, protect those links and make sure they're not followed from Google versus having to do that for each individual link every time I use it. So that's kind of the reason I have personally decided to go with their suggestion of using a subfolder. So I'm going to go into that folder, and it's currently empty. So there's some things I want to add. Here in in Yoast, well, we really should follow their order of directions. So the first thing I want to do is block the robots text file from my new P folder. So I'm actually going to go back up one level, and I'm going to look for the robots.txt file, which does not exist. So I have to create it. I'm going to go to New File and type robots.txt. Create new file. There it is. So now I'm going to click on it and go to Edit. And then yes, I want to edit it. So it's blank right now because we just created it. And I actually have saved here the code. So what we want to say is user-agent : *, and then on the second row I'm going to say disallow, and then instead of out, my folder is P. So that's why I'm going to change it to P. /P/. And then I'm going to save. Okay, it says it's a success, so I'm going to close now. Next, it says that we can go in and kind of do all the code stuff to make our links pretty. Now, Yoast came up with a script that we're actually going to use. Again, we don't have to, but this is the method that I'm going to show you guys. So there are 3 files. There's the index, the redirects, and the htaccess. Since we created a new folder, they give you a little, when I scroll down here, a little link here to download the files, which I did, or you can take a look at the source code on GitHub, so you can see that here's all the source code. This is kind of what they look like. But I'm going to go to where I downloaded them. So I'm going to go into the folder we created. So for me it was P, and it's empty. And I'm going to upload. And I'm going to choose File, and these are actually in my downloads. Let's see, here it is. So it downloaded it as a zip file, and I unzipped it. And these are the 3 that I want to, it's only going to let me do one at a time. So first I'm going to do the htaccess. Index PHP, and the redirects. I don't like how that says fake path. Okay, I'm going to go back. Oh, it did them. So I guess we're good. Okay, so all the code in the .htaccess and the index should be good to go. What we want to focus on is this redirects. So I'm going to edit that file. You want to leave the default, and then where it says example.com is where you want to put your home root domain. So for me, it's going to be viamedia.com. And then here's where you start to put your affiliate links. So I'm going to take that one away. So as you can see, the structure is what you want your URL to be, and then your current affiliate link. So for example, if I wanted to have my link be viamedia.com/p/ClickFunnels. This is the one that we're going to create right now. I would say ClickFunnels, I'm going to copy that, is right here, and then this is going to be my actual affiliate link, which I have right here. There we go. And so when I type this URL, it should redirect me. So now that I have that, I'm going to save. And it says here again, make sure you leave that default one there. Just change it to your own domain. And then it says that if we want pretty URLs, that we add the .htaccess file to the mix, which we already did. Okay. So that should be it. So I can close this. Let's see if it works. So I've set it up. So here in a new tab, we're going to go to viamedia.com/p/ClickFunnels. And this should take me to ClickFunnels. Yay, it worked. You see my affiliate link popped up here, and it worked. So now what I want to do is I'm going to go back into this redirects text file, edit, and I'm going to add all of my affiliate links to the list. So now every time I get a new affiliate link, I just come in here, name it what I want to name it, comma, and then actually put the ugly URL affiliate link, and that helps. So be sure to let me know if you have any questions, and I look forward to all your pretty links. We'll talk to you next time.